Let's come to the exercise of page number 164. We will start with the worksheet. Question number 1, you have to take the correct option. The energy provided by electricity is called dash energy. So we have studied that energy. What is energy? Define energy, that is capacity to do any work. We have studied this definition, and in higher classes, when we go to higher classes, we see and understand about different forms of energy. We have different forms of energy: physical energy, chemical energy, solar energy, hydro energy, geo energy, geothermal, nuclear energy. So many different kinds of energy we study. So different objects, they provide us different kinds of energy. The objects which provide us energy, they have this different kinds of energy is being provided by different objects, we can say. So here we are discussing about the energy that is provided by electricity is called, obviously it will be called electrical energy. The type of energy, it gets its name from the thing where we get it from. For example, the sun provides us solar energy. The energy that is given to us by sun is known as solar energy. So here electricity, the energy provided by electricity is called electrical energy. Next question, the electricity that we use at our homes come from. When we look at things around us which are working with the help of electricity, then what are the sources of that energy? The electricity that we use, where it comes from? Battery, cells, electric power station, or solar system? Though we have solar sheets nowadays, we are using solar energy also, but most of the energy that we use, the electric energy that we use at our homes, it comes from the electric power station. Because the energy consumption is very high, we need, nowadays winter season has started, so we need geysers also, refrigerators, microwave, fans we have stored, but in summers we have ACs, air conditioners, fans and lights. So many things we use which work on electric energy. So batteries and cells and all these, they can't fulfill the requirement of the electric energy, so we have to depend on the energy electric power station gives us. So the main source of electricity that we use at our homes is electric power station. Next, the flow of electricity is known as electric current. Though commonly we say light has come, light has gone, but that is a wrong word to use. We should use the word current. Current has gone, current has come. So the tiny thin wires inside, oh sorry, I got the next question. The flow of electricity is known as electric current, so we call it current. Let us come to question number 3, which we left by mistake, sorry for that. Tiny thin wire inside a bulb. So we have studied the structure of electric bulb, internal structure also we have studied. So the tiny thin wire that is present inside a bulb, it is called element, filament, circuit or thread. Obviously it is called the filament. We call it the filament, and the filament, it is always made up of tungsten. We have studied it in the structure of an electric bulb. Next question we have done, the flow of electricity is known as electric current. So next time when current is not there, then you will not say light aa gayi, light chali gayi. You will use the word current. Current has gone, current is not available. Current is available now, current is running in the wires, so the proper word we use is current. The electric circuit which is not complete, means incomplete, it is called dash circuit. What type of circuit do we call it? Open circuit. As I told you, open is incomplete, not complete means incomplete, means it is open. So the answer will be open, because closed circuit means it is complete circuit and electricity will flow. Short circuit and universal, these are some different things. So here the answer will be A part, open. The electric circuit which is not complete is called open circuit. Now let's come to the true or false. We have to tell whether the statement is true or it is false. First one, the electric cells have chemicals stored inside them. We have studied the internal structure of a chemical cell, and we have studied different elements, different things are there in that, chemicals are stored in them. So it is true to say that electric cells have chemicals stored inside them. A fused bulb lights up when current passes through its filament. No, it is false. A fused bulb never glows, because when a bulb is said to be fused, when the filament is broken, then a bulb is said to be fused bulb. Electric cells supply a steady electric current. Yes, they supply a steady electric current. It is true. Now let us come to the fill in the blank portion. Dash is a source of electricity, and electric cell is a source of electricity, and we can say power station is also a source of electricity. So if options are given, then you can choose, otherwise you can write any of your choice. So here we are writing electric cell is a source of electricity. An electric bulb glows when current passes through it. The answer will be current. When current passes through it, then it starts glowing. Then electric bulb starts glowing. Next is, an electric cell has dash terminals. We have studied how many terminals are there in an electric cell. We have studied we have positive and negative terminals. So what is the total number of terminals? 2 terminals. We have 2 terminals in an electric cell, positive terminal and negative terminal. A bulb in which the filament is broken is called dash bulb. I told you, when filament is broken, then it is called a fused bulb, because when filament is broken, then electricity will not be supplied anymore. It will be an open circuit and the bulb will not glow. We call it a fused bulb. The filament of bulb is made up of tungsten. We discussed in the structure of bulb that the filament of the bulb, when it gets heated, it starts glowing and it helps in the glowing of a bulb, and it is always made up of tungsten. So filament of the bulb